Do you know the real difference between a beginner and a professional artist? It's not just talent, it's a system. Today, I'm going to teach you my three-stage golden rule. If you follow this strategy, I promise you won't just draw this German Shepherd realistically, you'll be able to master any portrait. Stick with me until stage 3, because that's where you'll prove to yourself that you're much better than you think. The rule begins here. Simplify. In stage 1, we're just building the skeleton. I'm using very basic, loose lines to map out the proportions. I'm using a Staedtler 8B here, but for beginners, I highly recommend an HB pencil. It's lighter and won't leave ghost marks if you make a mistake. Don't press hard, keep it airy. We're just setting the map for the magic to happen. Now we enter stage 2 of our golden rule, mapping the shadows. This is where the drawing gets its weight. I'm starting to throw down lead in the dark areas using an 8B pencil. Don't worry about fur or details yet. We are just defining where the light hits and where the shadows hide. Remember, if your shadows are in the right place, the details in the next stage will be a breeze. See how it's starting to pop? Now, I'm using a simple tissue to blend everything. It looks a bit blurry, right? That's exactly what we want. We're softening the base to prepare for the final stage, the pro stage. Now, you'll see me use an electric eraser to lift some highlights. This is completely optional. If you don't have one, don't worry at all. You can use a regular eraser or even a kneaded eraser to create these light areas. The goal here is just to save time and add some shine. Even if you skip this part, the hair details will still look amazing in stage 3 when we add the darker strokes. It's all about creating that contrast with or without the fancy tools. This is it, the final part of the golden rule. Using a sharp Staedtler Black 8B, we're going over those soft shadows to create individual hair strokes. Look at that, the portrait is starting to breathe. This is the power of the system. By building those layers earlier, these final details look 3D and hyper-realistic. You don't need 50 pencils, you just need the right strategy. And there he is, our loyal German Shepherd, brought to life using the three-stage golden rule. If you apply this system, your art will transform, guaranteed. If you loved this process, you have to see my wolf drawing tutorial. The texture work there is on another level. Click that video right now to keep leveling up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments, which dog breed should we master next? See you in the next one.